Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a portable speaker by Edifier again. This is a really premium high-end Bluetooth portable speaker. It looks absolutely amazing. It's made out of premium materials like leather on the outside and wood. The model name is ES60 and we have the black color, but you can also buy it on white. This is how they look, by the way. Let's turn around the box. So ES60 Edifier branding right here. This is how the speaker looks. We have some buttons on the top which I'm going to show you in a second. If we have a look on the side at the specs, we have 34 watts, 360 sound experience, Bluetooth, 9 hours of playtime, IP66 rated for water, integrated mic, USB Type-C input, and ambient lighting. And this is the back of the box. Pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we are gonna pair it with our phone and put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. Let's start with the small stuff first. So we got this box right here, which contained all of this paperwork. So we have warranty information, quick start guide, another quick start guide. That one has the QR code so you can get the app, so you can do the equalizing and whatever you're doing. Safety information. Give this all a read. It will help you understand what the speaker can do. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable used for charging, or you can use it to connect it to your PC or your TV. The speaker will always stay charged and you will have the lowest latency all the time. Really handy that they include in this. We have a strap which will attach right here on the side, so basically you can carry it around pretty much. And we have the speaker itself. This is how it looks. This is the front. I really like the retro design. I think it looks really good. We have the Edifier logo right here. On the bottom we have the standing base with some rubber feet, so it won't go anywhere once you place it. It's got this premium leather-like material on the outside. It feels really nice. On the back of the speaker we have the USB Type-C port, and of course this massive grill like in the front. And on the top we got some buttons. So we got the light button, we got a volume down, pause and play, volume up, and we got the power on and off. Obviously this is the mic port. It's branded with a mic. We have some charging lights right here, and pretty much that's it with all the features. It has a really nice weight to it, and the design, it's absolutely amazing. I really love it. It's really retro. It feels really premium. The weight and the materials, all the choices, it looks and feels really premium. I really like this speaker, and pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and pair it to our phone, and after that we are gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so the speaker is now connected. I turned off some of the lights so you guys can see the ambient light better. So basically this button right here will turn it on and off. You can also change the temperature. So we have this cool light and we have this warm light right here, which also blinks. It's really cool. You can hold it down, it will turn off. Hold it down again, it will go back to wherever it was before. I like the blinking one. I think it looks really cool. It really goes with the ambient light and the whole vibe of the speaker. Of course we have the power buttons, as I said, to connect the phone to the speaker. Super simple. All you have to do is press this button, make sure the speaker is on. When the speaker is on, this blue light right here will start blinking. Go to your device Bluetooth settings, select Edifier ES60, press pair, and that's it. You're ready to go. All you have to do is one time So do that one time, and after that, whenever you want to connect it, it should be already saved, so it will connect by itself. You don't have to press pair again. Just make sure this is on and your device Bluetooth is on, and that's it. And now let's just do a sound test. We're gonna listen to my intro because I don't want to get hit with a copyright again. So let's just play it. That's the maximum volume. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. Have a quick start guide right here. If you press the middle button, you will pause. If you press the volume down, you can see it adjusts the volume on the phone itself, so you can control everything from here. It's really loud. I wish I can show you guys some music, but YouTube will just not monetize my video, and I don't want to go through that whole process again. And pretty much that's it with the speaker. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. It's a really premium speaker. I think it cost about 120, but I'm not really sure. I'll have the best deal in the video description down below for you guys to check out. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.